Subcircuits and TTY. Now let's look at the subcircuits first. Subcircuit is basically we create another circuit that can be used as a shortcut. Like for example, to create the subcircuit, you can click this plus sign and give a name, or you can go to project, add circuit, and you can give a name as well. Now let's look at a simple circuit. Let's create a AND gate. So I give AND gate and name this as AND gate, and that is the page we are right now, because you see the magnifying glass. Wherever the magnifying glass is, that's the page we are in right now. So in this one I'm gonna create a AND gate, 2 input AND gate. So here currently it has 5 input, so I change this one to 2 input by clicking this and changing the number of input to 2. Now this is a 2 input AND gate. Now I'm gonna put 2 inputs for this and then output. Okay, and we know that AND gate behave like when all of them are 1 it turns on, and when even one of them is off it turns off. So if I put both of them on, it turns on. If I turn off one of them, if I give 0 input for the one of them, it's going to turn off. So it doesn't matter which one it is. For the AND gate to be on, all of them has to be 1 in order to turn on. So that's the AND gate's behavior. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the main gate, and if I click this one and put it here, we are going to get a square shape like this, and this is representing the AND gate. Now this is a small circuit, but you know this is really helpful like when you are designing a complex RAM, ROM, and all those kind of things. You can make it simple by giving a circuit like this. Okay, that's the useful of subcircuit. You can make it like that and bring it to the main page and make it a shortcut. Okay, now let's see whether this one behave like AND gate. So I put 2 inputs, and then an output, and you know the AND gate turns on both of them on, and it turns off when one of them is 0, even 1 or more than 1. Like the only situation it turns on is when all of them are 1. Okay, so it's giving the AND gate behavior. And also you can instead of box, you can actually change the shape by going here and clicking this one. You can change it to whatever the shape you want. Here you can use this tool to design whatever you want. You can make curves, you know, like do whatever the design you want. And this is this blue color marks, this square shape represents the input, and then the circle shape represents the output, and this one does nothing. Okay, you can even delete that thing. This is here. Okay, now if I go to main page, this is the AND gate design we have. Now if I analyze the behavior again to make sure this is the AND gate, I connect the input with this and with this, and then give an output. So this is just a rough design. You know, you can take your time and design nicely, but whatever the design you design, the only thing that matters is the input and output. It's going to follow the truth table of an AND gate. Okay, and that's it. And I also want to talk about the TTY. Let's get rid of this first. TTY is the ASCII code converter. So here it's in it's in the input and output. TTY, clicks TTY. This is the TTY. This one is an ASCII code generator. Like if you input any value, it will convert into ASCII code. So to check that, I can connect a random number generator with that. That is in the memory. So I connect the random number generator right here, and to generate random number I'm gonna connect a clock with this. So I go to wiring and connect a clock with this, and I also connect the same clock with this. You see this is currently in yellow right now because ASCII codes are 7 bits. So this one, if you see, this is currently in 8 bits. So in order to give the input to this, we have to change this one into 7 bits. Okay, now it is black color, so it means it's in the right bits. Okay, now to generate random number, we have to just tick the clock. To tick that, Control plus K, it will take some random values, and it's gonna generate the ASCII code value for that. Okay, so you can also change the frequency of that clock by going to simulate and tick frequency, change it to whatever you want. If you increase the value, it's going to go fast. If you decrease, it's going to go slow, something like that. Okay, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.